to focus on life as we want it, right? Clear goals are not just dreams, but are the compass that guides us to the past and present, right? What do I mean by that? You can actually relive past mistakes with the wrong goals. Yeah, with the wrong mindset, right? These goals are going to guide us past the mundane circumstances, the mundane environment that we are around, the hurdles of life. As you get wiser with me, remember, becoming financially free is not just a desire, it is a necessity that will grant you peace, freedom, and fulfillment. It's utmost important that you start taking the journey to repair your credit, to get some financial education, so you can live out your life, so you can be the architect, right? You don't want somebody else writing the script for you. You want to write your own script. I urge you to keep reading, keep studying, immersing yourself with positive energy and things that you want to attract to you. Wealth, new car, money, house, whatever. The thoughts you nurture becomes the seeds of your reality. The thoughts that you nurture becomes the seeds of your reality. Focus on your mind. Focus on your mind and think in abundance. Think in abundance. Don't think that money is scarce. Think abundance of money. There's money everywhere. There's real estate everywhere. There's houses everywhere. Right? Think in abundance and the universe will bring it forth to you. But if you think impoverished, the universe is not going to reward that. You're going to get that scare mentality. You're going to get like that. That's where the saying, scare money don't make money. What they're actually saying is, with the negative mindset of being scared, you're not going to attract more. That's what they're essentially saying. So, if you got some value out of today's video, hit like, hit subscribe. Help me move this algorithm, and let's get motivated.